Okay, so you are going to be multiplying the products. So here you're going to do 7 times 9 equals 3 times x. 7 times 9 is 63, and that is equal to 3x. So 63 divided by 3 equals 21. So x is 21. Alright. So you burn about 200 calories a minute by walking for 60 minutes. But how many calories do you burn if you walk for 15 minutes? Alright. So we're going to set up a cross product. Calories over minutes. So 200 over 60 minutes equals x, because we don't know how many calories they burned, over 15 minutes. Now we're going to cross multiply. So 60x is equal to 200 times 15, which is 3,000. So then 3,000 divided by 60 is 50. So then x equals 50. Alright. If you can buy cans of pineapple chunks for $2, 4 cans for $2, how many can you buy for $10? Alright, so we're going to do cost over cans. And you can buy $2 for 4 cans. And $10 over x. So you're going to do 4 times 10, which is 40. And then 2 times x, which is 2x. Then you get 40 equals 2x. You divide by 2. And then x equals 20. Alright. Shauna, reduce the size of a rectangle to a height of 2.5 inches. What is the new width if it was originally 24 inches wide and 12 inches tall? Alright, so we're going to do height over width. So the height of the rectangle is 2.5 over x. And then initially it was 24 inches wide and 12 inches tall. So x times 12 is 12x. And then that's equal to 2.5 times 24, which is right here, equals 60. Then you divide your 60 by 12, and you get 5. So x equals 5, which means the new width would be 5. A car travels 120 miles in 3 hours. How long will it take it to travel 200 miles? So we're going to do miles over hours. So you're going 120 miles in 3 hours. How long will it take you to travel 200 miles? So set up like that. Cross multiply. 200 times 300, or 200 times 3 is 600. And that is equal to 120x. Divide by 120. So x equals 5, which means it would take 5 hours to travel 200 miles. So Nathan packs 25 boxes in 2 hours. Boxes in 24 hours. 22 hours. How many boxes can he pack in his 8-hour shift? So we'll do boxes over hours. So 25 boxes in 2 hours, and then blank boxes in 8 hours. Cross multiply 2x, 8 and 25. 8 times 25 is 200. Equals 200. Divide 200 by 2, x equals 100. Which means he can pack 100 boxes in 8 hours. The ratio of girls to boys is 8 to 5. If there are 25 boys, how many girls would there be? So put girls for boys. And then x over 25. So 5 times x is 5x. And then 8 times 25 equals 200. 200 divided by 5 is 40. So that would mean that there are 40 boys, or 40 girls